Can't find your phone? No stress. These 5 best Find My Phone apps for Android help you quickly locate your device, secure your data, and stay protected when your phone goes missing. At number 5, we have FamiSafe, Parental Control app, rated 4.5 stars with over 5 million installs. A lot of parents worry when their kid is away from home. Are they safe? Are they spending too much time on their phone? Are they seeing the wrong content online? That's where FamiSafe steps in. It lets you track live GPS location and even check where your child has been during the day. You can control screen time instantly, like setting limits for school hours or bedtime. It also monitors apps, messages, browsing history, YouTube, and TikTok activity. So you know what's really happening on their phone. And if something feels unsafe, the app can block harmful websites and inappropriate apps automatically. There's even an SOS panic button so kids can send their live location in emergencies because it gives parents peace of mind without constantly arguing over phone usage. At number 4, we have Kids App Custodio, the companion app for the powerful Custodio parental control system. It holds a 3.5-star rating with over 50k reviews and more than 1 million installs. This app works in pair with the parent dashboard to help families stay safer online. Parents can block harmful apps, filter inappropriate content, and protect kids from things like violence, gambling, and mature websites. It also tracks screen time, browsing history, YouTube activity, and even sends real-time alerts when something unusual happens. One of the standout features is location tracking. You can see where your child is in real time and even get notifications when they arrive or leave specific places. It also helps prevent cyberbullying by monitoring suspicious contacts and giving parents more control over communication safety. Parents love it because it helps build healthier digital habits, reduces screen addiction, and creates a safer online environment without constant arguments. Number 3, Android Parental Control. And this one feels like a real digital safety net for parents. Ever catch yourself wondering what your kid is actually doing on their phone when you're not looking? This app takes that stress and flips it into control and clarity. You get real-time screen viewing so you can literally see what's happening on their device. Plus, live GPS tracking shows exactly where they are throughout the day. It also lets you block risky apps and set smart screen time limits so distractions stay in check. What really stands out is the AI-based alerts that flag suspicious chats or unsafe online behavior before things go too far. It's rated 4.7 with over 10 million installs, so it's already widely trusted. Would you use something like this for peace of mind, or does it feel like too much control? Ever had that moment where your phone goes missing or your earbuds disappear right before you leave the house? Yeah, it's stressful, frustrating, and honestly happens more than we admit. But here's the solution that's already sitting on over 1 billion installs devices worldwide. Meet Google Find Hub from Google. This isn't just a basic Find My Phone tool. It lets you see your phone, tablet, headphones, and even accessories on a live map. And yes, it can still locate devices even when they're offline. But wait, there's more. You can play a sound instantly to find something hiding nearby in seconds. And this is where it gets crazy. If your device is truly lost, you can remotely lock it or even erase everything to protect your personal data. Most people miss this part. It can literally save your privacy in a worst-case scenario. The real reason people love it is how simple it feels. One app, everything connected, no stress. And on top of that, you can share your live location, too perfect for meeting friends or making sure family gets home safe. Top rated at 4.5 stars with millions of reviews, it's quietly becoming one of the most essential apps on Android. Finally, that's where Live 360 steps in. It's a 4.6-star app with over 100 million installs, and it's basically designed to keep families connected without non-stop texting. Instead of asking, "Where are you all day?" you can see real-time location inside a private family circle. But here's where it gets interesting. You also get automatic place alerts. So when your kid leaves school or someone gets home, you get a silent update right away. No checking, no guessing, just updates. It even adds driving safety reports showing things like speeding, sudden braking, and overall driving habits, helping families stay safer on the road. And in serious moments, there's an SOS feature that instantly shares your location with your trusted contacts. Plus, crash detection can automatically alert family if a serious accident is detected. Even small details matter like low battery alerts, so you're never left wondering why someone went offline. So it's not really about tracking, it's about removing that everyday worry most families don't talk about. Now be honest, would you actually use this or does it feel a bit too much? Hope this helped you. Tap like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart Android app tips every day.